Voucher. Voucher is the written document, or you can say written evidence of the occurrence of any transaction. Any transaction which have taken place will be recorded in the books of account on the basis of voucher. Without voucher, there is no authentication whether the transaction has been occurred or not. The voucher na basis પરથી જ આપણને ખબર પડે કે પર્ટિક્યુલર ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન કઈ ટાઈપનો છે એને કઈ બુકમાં રેકોર્ડ કરવાનો, બરાબર? So voucher is basically written evidence authenticating the occurrence of the business transaction. There are different types of voucher, like sales bill, which will indicate sale of goods, then purchase bill for purchase of goods, then credit note for sales return, debit note for purchase return, counterfoil of check, that is evidence for cash withdrawn from the bank, paying slip whenever we are depositing cash into bank, receipt issued. Whenever we are issuing receipt, that means we have received amount from other person. Whenever we have received amount receipt, that means we have made payment and the opposite party has given receipt for payment. Then expense bill or voucher of expense, that is evidence of expenses paid by check or cash. Then components of voucher. In voucher, basically name and address of voucher issuer or voucher maker, then name and address of voucher receiver, date, serial number, amounts in figures, amounts in word, like 500 rupees, then 500 rupees only, signature of preparer, signature of receiver, type of voucher, other details, and sometimes stamp, revenue stamp is also attached. On the basis of type of voucher, we will come to know which is type of the transaction, and accordingly we can make entry, we can record the transaction. Like I told you, okay, sales bill will indicate that we have sold goods to some person. If we have issued cash memo, it means we have sold goods on cash. We have sold goods and received cash. If we have issued credit memo, it means credit sales of goods. We have sold goods to other person on credit, so we will have to receive money in future. So this is how the voucher will be helpful for identifying the type of transaction and how it will be recorded. Now, dual effect of transaction. Under double entry accounting system, each and every transaction will have at least two effects: double effect, twofold effect, dual effect, one and the same thing. One effect will be debit and other will be credit. The amount of debit as well as credit will be always same. Something you are receiving, something you are giving. Something comes in, something goes out. Someone will receive, someone will give. So there has to be at least two effects. At least some transaction will have more than two effects, three effect, four effect. Depends on the type of transaction, type of the accounts involved. So first step is to identify the transaction, whether the transaction is economic or non-economic. If it is economic transaction, then it will be recorded in books of account. Next, you have to identify the type of account. Different accounts involved in business, like cash brought in by owner into the business. So here cash is coming in. So one account is cash account. Another owner has brought cash. So it is capital of owner. So this is how in each and every transaction you have to identify different accounts involved. Then you have to identify type of account. That is the main thing that we are going to study today. Different types of account. Now, Accounts can be classified into basically two ways: personal account and impersonal account. And impersonal account further classified into real account and nominal account. So basically three types of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Now, types of account. Personal account. As the name suggests, account of any person, real or artificial. Real person is living person, like Vimal Patel, barabar. Artificial person means legal person, like Gujarat University, HP Kapade High School, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, Government of India, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Life Insurance Corporation of India, any company's name, firm's name, any institution, any organization, all are covered under personal account. So basically, personal account involve living persons, artificial persons, then owner's account. Which will include capital account of owner, whatever brought in by the owner into the business. Then drawings, then income tax, income tax refund. If we have paid excess amount of income tax than what we supposed to pay, the income tax department will refund the amount. Income tax is considered to be drawings, the income tax refund is considered to be capital. Then life insurance premium of owner. Then any type of personal expense, domestic expense made by owner from the business, like fees of college of daughter paid by owner from the business. All these are covered under owner's account. Then in personal account, accounts related to customers, or you can say debtors, from whom we have to receive money, or accounts related to suppliers, creditors, to whom we have to pay money. Then loan taken, amount borrowed, all these are covered under personal. बराबर? Then a real account. A real account will include accounts related to goods, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, stock, goods gone out of business, like goods lost by fire, goods given as charity. All these are accounts related to goods. Goods distributed as free sample, goods washed away by rain. So any account related to goods involving goods are part of real account. Then all the assets, non-current asset, fixed asset, tangible asset, intangible assets, current assets, all are part of real account. Land, building, furniture, copyright, goodwill, patent, trademark, okay, cash, bank balance, all these are part of assets. Okay. Then nominal accounts. Accounts of all the expenses paid by the business. Then all the incomes received by the business. Any profit or gain any loss, it may be natural loss, or man-made loss. All types of loss are part of nominal account. Expense like electricity bill paid, telephone bill paid, salary paid to employee, income like rent received, interest received, profit on sale of any asset, loss while selling any asset, loss by fire, loss by accident, depreciation, bad debts, all are part of nominal account. Now, another important thing. Say some nominal account will be converted into personal account. How? like salary paid to employee is expense for us, so it is nominal account. But whenever any suffix or prefix like outstanding salary, or you can say unpaid salary, then it will become personal account. Unpaid salary or outstanding salary means salary which is due but not paid. Barabar? We haven't paid yet. So salary is nominal account, but whenever it is outstanding salary or unpaid salary, it will become personal account. Insurance premium, nominal account, but unpaid insurance premium will become personal account. Same way. Say, if any expense, insurance premium, but if it is said prepaid insurance premium, or insurance premium paid in advance, then also these type of expense will be treated as personal account. Then any income like rent received, this is income. But if it is rent due but not received, or receivable, accrued rent, or rent received in advance, pre-received rent. So you should go for this prefix or suffix: outstanding, unpaid, prepaid, paid in advance, due but not received, receivable, accrued, received in advance, pre-received, और कोई भी word होए, बराबर, then the expense or income will be treated as personal. Clear? So first of all તમારે accounts કયા involve છે transaction માં એ identify કરવા પડે. Then you have to identify the type of account. Account type કયું છે? Personal છે, real છે, nominal છે. Then we will apply rule of debit and credit. અને પછી એનું રેકોર્ડિંગ થાય. અને પછી એનું પ્રોપર રેકોર્ડિંગ થાય ને જર્નલ કહેવાય, જે તમારું મેઇન ચેપ્ટર આના પછીનું આવશે. બરાબર? ક્લિયર?